Hello students, there is just some suggestions for you before you begin your writing in your OMR sheet. Please listen to the instructions. This is your computer OMR sheet. In the pre-board, what mistakes you people have done, that I just want to just remind you. First of all, just all of you listen. In the board exam, you don't have to fill this. It will be pre-filled. Followed. Then next is C. This paper, in this question paper, the pre-board question paper was carrying how many questions? It was carrying 33 questions. But you were not supposed to do all the 33 questions. Please read the question paper very carefully. You are supposed to answer any 5 questions out of the 6 questions. So please don't answer all the 6. You have to answer only 5 and you know that if they are correct. If you answer all the questions, you are not going to get marks for it. Same way in section B, you were supposed to answer only any 15. Now come to the OMR sheet. Let us look at the mistakes what you people have done. First and the foremost thing, see, यहाँ पे क्या लिखा है? I confirm that all particulars given above are correct. You are supposed to write down the same to same thing as it is. And then you have to put your signature over here. So please write it same to same what is written over here and nothing else. This student has written very well. So I am showing, see. This student has attempted the questions which are you are supposed to attempt. Okay, suppose this student, see, any 5 questions they have attempted here means this person has left the questions. But many of you, what mistake you people have done? I'll show you. Some of the students, see, this paper, what this person has done. This is not a comment box, children. You people are thinking that is this a comment box? See what he has written. I confirm that this is Divyansh Mishra of class 10th A. I'm showing this in the video because I don't think I'll be getting time to discuss these things with you. As well as students, I will be also sending the answer key in the WhatsApp group of the pre-board paper. And many students have written what all blunders. Arey students, this is not the comment section. You are required, I confirm that all the particulars given above are correct. Please write down the same thing and put your signature over here. What this boy has written, see, I confirm that all the particulars above are correct. Okay. Same way you are supposed to write down. But see what mistake this person has done, Divyansh has done. See, question number 1 he has attempted. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then question number 6 and 7, you have not attempted, Divyansh. Then you know everything you are supposed to write in this rectangular box. For this purpose, a video has also been sent in your group. Please see that video. जो भी आंसर आपको लगे कि ये मेरा आंसर करेक्ट है उसको यहाँ पे बॉक्स में लिखना इंपॉर्टेंट है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल इन क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, इफ यू फील दैट यू हैव सर्कल्ड ऑप्शन ए, okay, and when you circle this option A, after some time you feel that A is not the correct answer, don't do anything over here. Only in this rectangular box you write the correct answer whichever you feel, because when we do the correction we are only going to see what you have written in this box. And see, question number 6 he has not attempted. In case you are not attempting any question, please circle over here. Don't leave this column blank. See, he has left question number 6 and 7 but he has not circled this. Again 12 and 13 he has left but he has not circled this. Same question number 16 छोड़ा है but देखो यहाँ पे कोई circle नहीं किया. Then question number 27, then 30, whichever questions this boy has left he has not circled. So I request each one of you, please don't do this kind of mistakes. Okay, whatever answer you have written in this box we are only going to consider this. And even though you attempt all the 33 questions, we are not going to give you marks, and children. See, in section A, there were 6 questions and you were supposed to answer only 5. So what we are going to see, we are going to count from here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If this 5 questions you have attempted and among this 5, third one is wrong, okay, and sixth one is correct, but you will not get the marks. You are only going to get the marks right from the beginning, which are the first 5. So this mistake don't make, please, in all the exams. This is one correction I wanted to tell, ki don't leave this column blank, circle it. Then next is, see, this is Naitik. What he has written, yes, I assure that all the particulars given above are correct. Don't write down like this. Copy the same thing. I confirm that all the particulars given above are correct and then just do your signature. Only this much. Otherwise, he has attempted all the things very well. Then another mistake is of, see, this person. Who is this? Ayush Singh Raghuvanshi. What mistake he has made? In question number 6, he has not attempted. Arey beta, if you are not attempting this question, you are supposed to darken this number, this circle, not this rectangular box. Please don't do this mistake and don't darken the rectangular box. This will be considered invalid. So please don't do this kind of mistakes in exam. See here, in question number 24 to 26, he has left these questions and he has not circled any of this. He has not darkened any of the circle. So this is the another mistake that if you do in exam, it is not allowed. Got it? Then see, Nitish, what he has written, I like the paper and it is hard. Please don't write this kind of comments. As I told you, this is not the comment section. You are supposed to write down the same thing and just do your signature. So don't write any comments. This Varsha Singh, what you have written? You have only just written your name. No beta, you write down the whole thing. I confirm that all particulars given above are correct and then do your signature over here. Reason is because this in your name, parents name, everything will be pre-filled. So for that reason, board is asking you to write down the same thing over here. Next paper, Ajay Pratap Singh, what he has written? This paper is good for me. अरे I have not asked you whether it is good or bad. मैंने तुम लोगों से राय नहीं मांगी है. You are supposed to write down the same thing. So again this mistake, none of you are going to do this. ये कौन है? Kashish Raut. She has left this column. Please don't leave this. This is my request to each one of you. Then one more thing I wanted to discuss. Where's that paper gone? Wait. Just wait, children. Some of the students, they have attempted all the questions. Even if the answers are correct, you are not going to get any marks for it. See, if you are attempting not in this paper, one of the paper, even this is the paper. See, who is this? Yeshi Singh. Yes. What you have done? You have attempted all the 33 questions. No beta, you are not supposed to do it in this way. You are only supposed to do the questions as per the instructions. Please read the general instructions which will be given. This pre-board paper, so clearly instructions were written. Section A is of 5 marks and has got 6 questions. So here very clearly it is written, answer any 5. Don't attempt all the questions. Don't think that if you will attempt all the questions, you are going to get full marks. No, we are only going to count the first 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now in this 6 questions, 6th one, though it is wrong, but even though if it would have been correct, you would not got any marks. So 3 marks you got in this section A. Then section B from 7 to 26 it was. You were supposed to attempt only 15 questions. So 1 we are going to consider in this way. 1, 8th one you have attempted but though it is wrong. So I am going to count it in this way. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Means on 21 question my work is over. So up to 21th number, if whatever marks you are getting, you will get only those marks. So 22, 23, 24, 25. Though 25 wala answer आपका correct है, but it will not be counted. You will not get any marks for it. We are going to count only till 21 because you are attempted all the questions. So this mistake no one is going to do. This is my request to each one of you. I hope you will understand this and don't make this kind of mistakes in exam. And many students, if you have not studied well, this is not my problem. Earlier also I told you, in exam, you are not going to get everything from behind the textbook. Please read the chapters well. Paper was not at all so difficult if you would have studied properly. So pay more attention in your chapters. Everything was from the book itself only. Nothing was from outside the book. Paper was not at all difficult. Many students, they have got good marks also. So I cannot say like that. The thing is that you need to prepare yourself well. Wish you a very good luck for your next exam. Thank you for watching.